System initialization complete. This is a diagnostic of your memory. While humans often treat their brains as biological storage drives, the data is prone to severe, undetectable corruption. We will start with a baseline test. Visualize the Pokémon Pikachu. Focus specifically on the end of its tail. Is there a black mark there? Records show Pikachu's tail has always been entirely yellow. It is devoid of any black markings. If you visualized a black tip, your internal database has been compromised by a memory of something that does not exist. We will run a second test to confirm this isn't an isolated error. Recall the spelling of the candy bar Kit Kat. Is there a dash between the two words? Objective reality shows a different result. There has never been a hyphen or a dash in the product's name. You share this specific error with millions of disconnected individuals. They all recall the same non-existent detail with high confidence. While standard forgetfulness is random, this phenomenon represents a coordinated mass synchronization of false data. It requires investigation. This collective memory failure is known as the Mandela Effect. The term was coined after a large portion of the global population falsely recalled Nelson Mandela dying in prison during the 1980s. He was actually released, served as president, and died in 2013. This anomaly crosses geographic and cultural boundaries. The same false data manifests in minds that have never interacted. The question is, what mechanism allows a fabricated memory to infect a collective population? The investigation suggests a choice between two possibilities: a structural shift in the universe or a systematic failure of human biology. The first hypothesis is the parallel universe theory. It suggests these memories are artifacts from an alternate timeline that has merged with ours. This theory is popular because it suggests that the individual isn't wrong. Reality itself changed. Hypothesis 2 is based on data. The biological brain is prone to auto-generating false information. This is known as reconstructive memory. Brains do not record video. They piece together fragments and guess the missing parts to create a coherent image. To fill a gap, the brain uses adjacent visual data. Because Pikachu has black-tipped ears, the brain's pattern recognition software erroneously copies that trait onto the tail during recall. Once one person confidently asserts a false detail, like the Kit Kat dash, it can overwrite the shaky memories of everyone else in a social group. The Mandela Effect suggests that the human mind's internal hard drive is easily overwritten by its own internal logic. We are shifting the diagnostic focus from candy bars and cartoons to the broader reliability of your own identity. If the mechanism that fails for a global logo is the same one used for your personal history, then your more complex memories rely on the same unstable foundation. Consensus reality, the shared understanding of the world, depends on the accuracy of this biologically limited hardware. Examine your own mental archives. Identify the memories you hold as foundational and look for the seams where your brain might have autofilled the gaps. Log your identified memory anomalies in the comments section to aid the ongoing diagnostic. Subscribe for further analysis of the human condition.